How to use impact wrench. Subscribe for more videos. There are tools that some field of work use every day, and impact wrench is one of them, especially if they run a tire shop, or work in construction. Impact wrenches come in a variety of sizes, and a variety of power sources. These options allow you to purchase the one that works best for you in the type of environment you work. This tool has many uses, but one purpose: to make tightening bolts and nuts much faster, thus making it easier for less people to do the job required. Most mechanic shops have large air compressors, which allow them to use the most common air version of the power tool. Impact air wrenches, as long as they have proper air pressure, have the ability to perform the best when it comes to applying torque. Most impact electric wrenches do not have the power supply to achieve the kind of torque an impact wrench that uses air compression. The portability of an electric wrench usually outweighs that drawback. There are places that you cannot get to with a cord attached to the wrench, and electric wrenches usually run on rechargeable battery packs. This makes for a great tool that has the application for changing a flat tire, or doing construction around the house, and the cost is significantly less than the air compression model. With the right accessories and attachments, an impact wrench has a multitude of uses. There are screwdriver attachments, which allow the wrench to become as a very powerful screwdriver. It is a great tool for anyone who works in a tire and lube shop, because it makes the removing and reattaching lug nuts to the tire fast and efficient. It is also a favorite tool for people required to assemble or install a variety of items such as a garage door. It is just important to make sure to have the right attachment to get the job done efficiently, and without any problems. From mechanics to construction workers, there is a variety of applications for using an impact wrench. It is important that when using a high-powered wrench to pay special attention to avoid counter-threading, or stripping when applying the pressure from the wrench. Whether you need the portability of an electrical impact wrench, or the power of an impact wrench that requires a connection to an air compressor, it is important to make sure to know the proper way to use the tool to avoid accidents. Do not forget to subscribe for more new videos.